how to fix your keyboard backlight not working on your Windows computer. Now, the first thing we need to do is just go and open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to Keyboards and you should be able to find your keyboard from this list. Now, all you need to do is go and right click on your keyboard, click on Update Driver, click on Search Automatically for Drivers, and then you can close out of this window. Now, if you have multiple devices listed under keyboards, then you'll need to do the same thing for all of these different devices. Now, once you've done that, you'll need to close out of this window and you can just go and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if your backlight is now working. If you're still having an issue, it's likely that the backlight is actually turned off. Now, to go and fix this, you need to look for the FN key on your keyboard, and what we're going to do is just hold down this key and then you need to press the backlight button at the same time. Now, typically this is going to be one of the F keys on your keyboard and you need to look for a brightness symbol. So on my keyboard it's the F5 key, but for you it could be the F9 key or the F2 key. You basically just need to look for this symbol on your keyboard. Now, if these two key combinations don't work, then another thing you can try is pressing the Shift key and also the backlight button at the same time as well. So on my computer, if I press Shift and F7, you can see this will turn the brightness up and it will also turn the backlight on. Now, the final thing you can try if it's still not working is you can press the FN key and also the space bar at the same time. This is another key combination that could turn on the backlight. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.